Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're just going to do a quick fun video showing you my top favorite fall coloring books so you have an idea of what I will be working on in the fall. So let's get started. Okay, this is Gnome for the Holidays. It's a Teresa Goodrich book. So this one covers all the holidays, you know, summer, spring, and then of course we get into our fall pages, which I'm actually working on one right now. And then, of course, it'll get into Christmas, but there's a ton in there, so it's really fun to just, you know, color in these. Then I have Gnomes at Home. Now, this combines multiple Gnomes books from Teresa Goodrich, so there's a ton of fall pages throughout here. You just kind of have to find them. That said, if you own her other books, you don't necessarily have to get this one. And then, also Teresa Goodrich, we have Autumn Harvest. This is one of my favorites of hers. I have 2 copies. So yeah, like I really enjoy this one, and as you can see, I've colored in it. My other copy I've colored in a little bit more, but I really do love her work. I love her stuff for fall. I always have, but one I definitely recommend. And then another one I have 2 copies of is Autumn Charm, also by Teresa Goodrich. So this one's an older one, but it's still a good one. I've done like watercolor pencils, regular just Prisma. You can really use anything on this paper, but these are just fun ones to have. And then let's see, might as well get all of Teresa Goodrich out of the way. Autumn Scenes. This is one of her older ones. You can tell from the style. It actually has better paper though. So I tend to use watercolor mediums on this one a little more. This is like watercolor. But yeah, it's a pretty good one. I did this tutorial like 6 years ago. So I think that's all of the Teresa Goodrich ones. Let's hope. Didn't realize I pulled that many. Okay, then I have Enchanted Halloween. This is a Hannah Lynn book. This is fun. Of course, this one is more fun in October versus September. But still, if you like Hannah Lynn, you can snag that one. I also have some PDFs. So this is the Autumn Coloring Book. You can get the Create Space printed version online, but this is from Yana Prosperina. So you can get on Amazon, or you can go to her Etsy and get this. They're all autumn fairies, so I plan to color a few in there. Also from her, and again, you can get the book on Amazon or get the digital one on Etsy. This is Witch Season. I need to bind this one. I'll leave links to the Etsy versions and the Amazon versions. And then there's coloring, her coloring book Witches, again, Yana Prosperina. And yes, all witches. I'm trying to make this fast because I'm not going to sit here and flip through every book. We would be here till the end of time. Okay, and then I've got Witchcraft. This is from Mystic Art Mirrors. You would have to buy it on her Etsy, but there's just a bunch of witches. So I really want to do work in these ones. This is also the same book. It just didn't fit in the same binder. So I'm really excited to get working on those. Okay. Fairy Touch of Magic from Klara Markova. This one's a little harder to get your hands on. Sometimes you can snag them from sellers on Etsy. But a lot of pages in here are fall themed, and then it kind of goes into Christmas, but you'll have a lot of witches. See, like this one. So really, just depends, but this one's always been more like fall leaning with a lot of its pages, but you can color them any way you want. But I mean, even the title page is fall. Then of course we have Seasons by Hannah Carlson. This one is covering all the seasons, shocker I know, but the fall is near the back here. So you kind of just have your winter, now we're into fall here. And believe it or not, I've never colored a fall page in here, so I really need to get on that. Okay, then we have the Haxen's Stuga one. This is also from Hannah Carlson. This is basically all fall because it's a witchcraft book. So it's really good. I need to finish the background on this one. I need to color in this book more, period. Like, that's why I pulled these all out. I was like, gosh, I haven't touched these books. Okay. Then we have from Daria Sakasoy. This is from Halloween to Christmas. So in the back, you're going to have the Christmas stuff, but then eventually up front, you'll have all your Halloween ones. Now, I tend to also print out her PDFs, but this is the book you can get on Amazon if you want to. Then we have The Flower Year. So this one's great for fall because you'll just make your way. You can start in September or October, but for example, you could go to the October and then all the pages behind that would be, well, October pages, right? And then it has like December, so it's all organized by month, so it's pretty handy. Now this is from Yana Prosperina, Fancy Hats. This is the line art edition. You can get this one on Amazon, but you could also print it off in her store. I only have this one, and also this is, this version here though, I don't think this one came from Amazon. This came from her other printer, so it's better paper. So if you get the one on Amazon, it's going to be that Create Space paper, but she had sent me this from her other company. Okay. Then we have Jasmine Beckett Griffith's Halloween. Every year I say I'm going to color in it. I started this one ages ago and never finished it, so I really need to get on it. But there's tons. I mean, these are hard to get now, these books, but if you can get your hands on them, they're worth it. Great paper, great printing quality. Everything's great about them. Like, I have no complaints at all. So yeah, those are my fall books. I was trying to go through this quick because, you know, we don't want to sit here for years having me go through every single book I have, right? I would love to know what your favorite fall books are. If you're already working in them, are you waiting for more like Halloween, October? And like, you know, well, what makes you happy to color in the fall? I definitely have an obsession with Teresa Goodridge. So let me know if you share that obsession. And until next time, take care. Bye now.